Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa if you're new here, and today I'm going to be sharing a little collective haul. I have stuff from Target, Walmart, Bath & Body Works, and Amazon. So if you want to see what I got, it's kind of mostly holiday stuff, a little bit of stuff to wear, no, not clothes. There's a little bit of jewelry, a lot of decorations. We've got some antique-y, vintage looking items and also some more modern looking items, lots of sparkles and glitter. And anyways, let's just get right on to the haul. So I'm going to start with Amazon, and this is a big tablecloth. It is red with bright white stripes, and it's cloth, obviously. So I'm going to be doing a Christmas themed tablecloth. I'm really excited about it for the first time, and I'm going with a candy cane theme. So I also got, for the backs of my chairs, I got these little sequin sashes. They also have like a sparkly side to them as well. And then for on top of the tablecloth, I got these little sequin chargers for the plates. I'm going to be using my red Avon dishes. They're vintage dishes, or from the 80s, I guess. And I'm going to be putting them on top of here, and they're a clear red, so I think it's going to look so cool and like catch the light with this silver sequin underneath them. Those are all from Amazon. And then since I'm sticking with the candy cane theme, I'm going to go on to Walmart. So I got these beautiful, I'm going to put this on the table as well, and it's so pretty and sparkly. And also these little teeny baby ones that are supposed to be ornaments, but they're also sparkly, so I'm going to put those on the table. Got some red taper candles. I've got a whole bunch of these already too from my vampire Halloween tablescape, and I'm going to reuse those red ones as well, but I needed a few more. And then I got some little candy cane. These are supposed to be for like a mini tree, but I'm probably going to either put them on like each dish set maybe at each table spot, or maybe hang them from my chandelier. I'm not sure yet. I got a couple of these. They're like made out of felt or foam. I thought they would look really cute. Then I got some ornaments. I always hang ornaments from my chandelier above my kitchen table, and I love how it looks, and I do different themes every single year. Last year I did kind of like a Scandinavian black and green theme, and it was so pretty. And if you guys want to see those videos, I will make sure to link them down below. I have one of my dining room, my kitchen, my fireplace mantle, a whole bunch of different decorating videos from last year. And then these ones are glass, which I don't usually like to get, but those ones were just so perfect. So I wanted to mention, since I forgot, I'm not doing decorate with me's this year. I'm just gonna do like a whole decoration Christmas tour, because as you can see in the background, this is one of the many projects that we have been doing, and we are on a roll. My hubby got laid off. He's a seasonal employee, so he's been like ripping the house apart, and we're redoing tons of different rooms and getting new windows and working on the basement and building huge massive structures in like lots of different areas of the house. So anyways, those videos are coming after Christmas, so make sure that you're subscribed if you want to see some before and after home videos. I'll be decorating, and he'll be doing lots of like this woodworking and things like that inside. But this is also from Walmart. I think it's so pretty. It says "Believe in the Magic of Christmas," and it goes really well with my whole candy cane theme. Then I got these little earrings from Walmart as well. I think they are so beautiful. You guys already would have seen these if you watched my vintage a brooch tree DIY. I just posted that one last week. And then I got these little pretty antlers for me and my girls just to wear. I thought that'd be a fun little pretty sparkly thing to wear. And then I got this beautiful candle. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was like a little bit more than I would normally spend on a candle. This was from Walmart, but the beauty of this candle is so amazing, and I will 100% be reusing this once the candle's gone. I haven't even lit this one yet, but it's a pine scented one. This also came in, I believe, like a light mint colored glass and possibly a pink colored glass as well. I can't remember, but so beautiful. I'm totally going to use this and put some kind of sparkly little decorations, or use this as a candy jar afterward. Moving on for another bathroom item, I got this at Bath & Body Works. It's so pretty. So sparkly. This side has a snowman and I don't like that side as much, so I just have it on this side, and I think it's going to be so cute in my bathroom. I'm doing a little vintage theme in my bathroom, so I'll be showing you guys a lot of the stuff I got for that. These are the holiday scented soaps that I got from Bath & Body Works. There's a frosted cranberry and a harvest gathering. I love the smell of this harvest gathering one. It is so good. And I ordered some things online. I got this frosted coconut snowball. It's not my favorite. I don't usually buy scented things online because I'm really picky about my scents, but this is the one holiday one that I got, and it was like the Black Friday or Cyber Monday deal, and I got a whole bunch of other stuff too, which I'm not going to show you because they're not like holiday things. But if you guys would like to see what else I got at Bath & Body Works, I also did a Shein haul and lots of other like little stocking stuffers. I've been thinking maybe I should do like a stocking stuffer video, or just like what to buy your kids or your friends or your husband or wife or whatever for Christmas. So I might be doing some videos like that really soon as well, because all of our stuff is coming in the mail, and so I can do another haul like that if you guys would like to see it. Then I'm going to move on to the Target portion, and these little baby native deodorants are so adorable. This one is Yule Log and it smells so good. It smells just like Christmas, and they have a whole bunch of different scents. They're all holiday scents right now, and they're little perfect stocking stuffers, so I'll probably show these again in that upcoming video. And I bought some other ones of those too, so I can share what different ones there are. Then I got these beautiful trees from the Target Dollar Spot. They're glass and they're absolutely stunning. They look vintage, and I think these colors are going to be perfect for my bathroom. I'm doing a vintage style bathroom, so I also got this little pink bottle brush tree. I've never had a pink before in my holiday decorations. Well, I guess I have. Last year I did like a little DIY for my daughter's room, and so I don't know. I'm more of a traditional decorator for colors for the holidays, but I did want to try doing some little pops of pink and like mint and blue this year. I will probably end up giving them to my daughter for her bedroom decor at some point, because she loves all of the light blue and light pink. Those are like her favorite colors. So these are gonna go perfect for her room in the future. I found these adorable little vintage looking deer, and they're so cute. And those were not from the dollar section, those were from like the regular Christmas section, but these were from the Dollar Spot, and they are so cute. Velvet deers, and they're all like the perfect colors for my bathroom theme this year. I also saw that they had these deers in like a mint or a light blue color, and my store didn't have them, so if I'm around another Target, I'm gonna pick those up. But then, you know what, I am like confused. So I put these in the bag with the Target stuff because I'm going to be decorating with them in that same like vintage color scheme. But these next things I'm going to show you are actually back again from Walmart. So this is of course a big pink glitter snowflake. I think it'll go so good with all of that. And then this kind of vintage looking with like the mint green. It's like a little metal hanging plate. Look at this. It's like a vintage blow mold. It's so cute, and it actually lights up. So I'm probably going to put this in the bathroom next to my bathroom Christmas tree, because I've got like a kind of rose gold Christmas tree in there. And we have this silly little blow up hat, and it's just like a ring toss game. But every year my family and I like create this big huge party, and we do party games and really fun festive snacks. And this I just thought would be a perfect like funny game for the family to play. And then the last thing I'm going to show you guys is actually from Shein, and like I said, I'll do a whole nother haul if you guys want to see like a Shein haul or a stocking stuffer haul. I have so many good ideas for it, but these were actually sold separately, but I got two of them. Oh my gosh, do you see how cute these are? They are made of like metal or brass, and they're for incense. And one of my daughters has been obsessed with incense lately, so I got them a different one. We have like a bunny one, a turtle one, and then these ones are for me because they're so cute, and it can be like this little pair of dancing mice. And even if they don't have the incense in their mouth, they're just so cute as like a little shelf decoration or something. I almost forgot to show you my shirt. This is one of the buys that I got this year. I haven't really bought much for clothing for Christmas because I have a whole bunch. I usually just wear like reds and like soft, fuzzy, snowy white items for Christmas time, except for like ugly Christmas sweaters. Of course, everybody has to have some of those. But this one I thought was so fun because it was kind of still muted and it's just this really pretty Kelly green, but then it has like the little indentations of the Grinch all over it. So I thought it was a really fun shirt to wear for December. All right, I'm in my pajamas now and I just realized that I forgot to share a couple more things with you guys. So this is from Walmart. It is a silent night, like, I don't know what this material is, like this crinkly, it's like, I don't know, it feels almost like vinyl-y plastic, I don't know, but it's so beautiful and pretty, and I love this color of wood, which we are like putting all over our house right now. And so I wanted to go with a different theme in my front mudroom this year and do just all kind of, I mean, I guess last year I did a lot of white too, if you saw that video, the Decorate With Me. But this is another thing I'm going to add to it. Just lots of greenery and snowy little plants and trees. And so I got those two things, and then I got some things that are just kind of wintry, so I can probably leave them up all winter long. I went to Joann Fabrics, and they were on Extreme Black Friday sale. Buy one, get 3 free, which is an amazing deal. So for $7.99, I was able to get all of these picks, and they're so pretty. They have like this beautiful fake snow on it. Now that's what flocked means. I totally used that word wrong earlier, I think. And then I got these ones, and these ones were also $7.99, buy one, get 3 free. So they're so sparkly, so beautiful. These ones are just called Holiday Floral Stem. I don't know. I thought that they might have like a name so you guys could find them yourself if you were looking for these. This one says the same thing, but so pretty. And then a couple more from Walmart as well. This is a pampas grass, and it's so cute and fluffy, and it just reminded me of wintertime and snow. I could use that all year round. And then I got a cotton stem. But anyways, yeah, super cute. So I'll be able to probably put those up around my house all different times of the year, or at least all different times of the winter for the snowy plants. And these little white ones, and I just think that it looks so good with the other decor that I have in there right now. And I always go with kind of a neutral theme in that front mudroom. So definitely check out those videos from last year if you want to see how I decorated last year, because I spent so much time on those. And I love how everything turned out last year. And make sure that you stay tuned, and I will show you how everything turns out this year too. I've been working my booty off all day today, so I have lots and lots of decorating done, and I'm loving how everything's looking. I'm really, really excited to enjoy it for the rest of December. Anyways, let me know what was your favorite thing that I picked up today, and do you want me to do some more shopping hauls, or maybe like a Bath and Body Works, my favorite scents, or the scents that give me a headache. But anyways, stay tuned for some more DIYs, a Christmas decor tour, some more shopping videos or haul videos, lots and lots of home fixer-upper videos in the future. Our house was born in 1900, so it is very, very old. It has lots of issues, and we've been working on them, working our butts off, and it's getting so beautiful. I stained all this wood by myself. So anyways, I hope that you guys stick around and keep on watching, and don't forget to say hi in the comments, and I hope you come back and watch some more of my videos, because I'd love to meet you guys and have you here having fun with me. So hope you're having a happy holidays, and we'll see you next time. Bye!